So good morning. So ako nga pala yung prof nyo sa Political Law Review. So ako nga pala si Professor Y. Bakit Professor Y? Kasi nakuha na yung Professor X. Kaya Professor Y na. So dito sa Political Law Review, puro recitation tayo. So gusto ko concise. So gagamitin nyo pa rin yung ALAC method, yung answer, legal basis, application, saka conclusion. Yun ang gagamitin nyo sa pag-answer sa recitation. Okay, so umpisa na natin ang recitation. So bubunot ako ng pangalan dito kung sino una magre-recite. Okay, so napili natin dito ay si ang maswerteng nabunot ay si Justin Magbanwa. Okay, so ito ang question para sa'yo, Justin. So Congress passed a law granting the President the power to reorganize the executive department, including the power to abolish or create executive offices. A citizen files a petition before the Supreme Court claiming that the law constitutes an undue delegation of legislative power. The question is the law constitutional? Explain.
No, the law is unconstitutional for being an undue delegation of legislative power. Under the principle of separation of powers, only Congress may legislate, and delegation is valid only if accompanied by sufficient standards to guide the delegate. The law grants the president the power to create or abolish executive offices without any intelligible standards. This effectively transfers a purely legislative function to the executive, violating the separation of powers. Hence, the law is an undue delegation of legislative power and is unconstitutional.
Okay, gradean natin yon. So, hindi ko sasabihin yung grade. So, maganda yung sinagot naman niya. Kaya maganda yung explanation niya. Concise.